Hello all, welcome to my channel Education Art and Craft. Today I am going to tell you a speech on Hindi Diwas. Before beginning with the video, if you are new to my channel or haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell icon to never miss my new video updates. Let's begin. Speech on Hindi Divas. Good morning, respected principal, teachers, and my dear friends. Today, we are gathered here to celebrate Hindi Divas, which is observed every year on 14th September. On this day in 1949, Hindi was adopted as one of the official language of India. Hindi is not just a language, it is the identity of our nation. It reflects our culture, values, and unity. From the Himalayas to Kanyakumari, Hindi helps connect people from different states and regions. Our literature and poetry in Hindi are very rich. Great writers like Munshi Premchand, Maithili Sharad Gupta, Harivansh Rai Bachchan, and many others gave us stories and poems that inspire us even today. As students, it is our responsibility to learn Hindi, speak it with pride. While English and other languages are important, Hindi gives us the connection to our roots and reminds us of our identity as Indians. So friends, on this 14th September, let us take a pledge to respect our Rajbhasha Hindi, promote its use, and keep the beauty of this language alive for generations to come. Thank you. If you like my video, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.